Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Discover the future of agriculture with autonomous robots and high-efficiency machines transforming farming and construction. Let's dive in.
The CAT Model 993 loader is a powerful and efficient heavy-duty machine designed for large-scale material handling. It features a high lifting capacity, robust engine, and advanced hydraulics, making it ideal for moving heavy loads in construction, mining, and agricultural operations. Its precision and durability ensure smooth, reliable performance in tough environments. The Moros hydraulic metal baler is a heavy-duty machine designed for compacting and recycling scrap metal. Equipped with powerful hydraulic systems, it efficiently compresses metal waste into compact bales for easy storage and transport. Ideal for agricultural and industrial use, it reduces waste volume, improves recycling efficiency, and helps in managing metal scrap effectively. The Rockhog Model 1150 is a heavy-duty land preparation machine designed for breaking up rocky soil. It uses its powerful rotary blades to efficiently cut through tough terrain, making it ideal for clearing fields and preparing land for agriculture. The Panther T14 or Prinith is a versatile, high-performance crawler vehicle designed for agriculture and construction. It features a robust track system for superior stability and traction on rough terrain. Powered by a strong engine, it excels in land clearing, hauling, and snow removal. Its durability and mobility make it an essential machine for challenging environments. The Xylokip Model 200T is a powerful agricultural machine designed for processing wood chips. It efficiently chips large branches and logs into uniform wood chips, which are used for biomass energy, mulching, and other applications. Equipped with advanced technology, it ensures high productivity and precision while reducing manual labor, making it ideal for large-scale operations. The Liebherr LB44 is a powerful rotary drilling rig used in agriculture and construction for deep drilling. Its advanced technology and robust design allow it to efficiently handle tough soil conditions, ensuring precision and stability for foundation work. The Prinith Panther T14R is a powerful, tracked vehicle designed for tough agricultural and construction tasks. It offers excellent traction and stability on rough terrain, making it ideal for land clearing, hauling, and snow removal. Its high-performance engine and durable design ensure reliable operation in challenging environments. The RWV Pioneer Industrial Systems is a high-efficiency agricultural machine designed for precision crop handling. It features advanced technology for processing, sorting, and packaging, increasing productivity while reducing labor costs. Its reliable performance makes it ideal for large-scale agricultural operations. The RTD3026 is a robust agricultural machine designed for efficient tilling and soil preparation. It uses advanced technology to break up compacted soil, improving aeration and moisture retention. Ideal for large-scale farming, it enhances crop yield and soil health. The PRF240 Meripede is an efficient agricultural machine designed for peat harvesting. It's equipped with a high-performance system that extracts and processes peat from the soil, ensuring high yield and reducing manual labor, making it ideal for large-scale peat production. The TC50/TC100 System Meister is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient soil tilling and seedbed preparation. With its precise control system, it ensures uniform soil treatment, enhancing crop growth and improving soil structure for better yields. The TII Skewerl is a heavy-duty agricultural transport system designed for moving large and heavy equipment. With its robust, flexible platform, it ensures safe and efficient transportation of machinery across rough terrains, making it ideal for large-scale farming and construction operations. The complex for resistance but welding is an advanced agricultural machine used for welding metal parts. It applies controlled pressure and electric current to join materials efficiently, ensuring strong, durable welds. This system is essential for manufacturing and repairing agricultural equipment. The Almac BB Series 1090BL EVO is a high-performance agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation. Its advanced technology ensures precise operation for tasks like tilling, plowing, and seedbed preparation. With its powerful engine and durable design, it enhances productivity and ensures optimal soil conditions for crop growth. The Braca P22.B is a versatile forestry and agricultural machine designed for efficient stump grinding and soil preparation. It is equipped with a powerful cutting system that grinds stumps quickly and effectively. Ideal for land clearing, this machine enhances productivity by improving soil conditions and facilitating smoother, faster ground preparation for agricultural use. The KJ-Effer is a versatile agricultural machine designed for efficient lifting and handling of heavy loads. It features advanced hydraulics for precise control and can be used for tasks like moving equipment, bales, and other materials in agricultural operations. The Houtkiller 1270 grubbing shear is an efficient agricultural machine designed for land clearing. It uses powerful hydraulic shears to remove roots, stumps, and unwanted vegetation. Ideal for preparing soil, it ensures quick and effective clearing for farming and construction projects. The Liebherr LTM 1650-8.1 is a powerful mobile crane used in agricultural and industrial operations. With its 8-wheel drive and advanced hydraulic system, it offers high lifting capacity and precision, ideal for handling heavy loads and equipment in challenging terrains. The Kobelco SK1300 DLC is a high-performance crawler crane designed for heavy-duty lifting in agricultural and construction applications. With its robust engine and advanced hydraulic system, it offers excellent lifting capacity and precision. Its versatility and stability make it ideal for handling large agricultural equipment, materials, and tasks in rugged terrains. Laser light is an agricultural machine used for precision leveling and land preparation. It utilizes laser technology to ensure accurate grading, enhancing soil management. Ideal for large-scale farming, it improves irrigation efficiency and ensures uniform crop growth by leveling the field. The Toka 4 Gecko Robotics is an advanced agricultural robot designed for precise field monitoring and crop management. It uses cutting-edge sensors and autonomous navigation to gather data, helping farmers optimize irrigation, monitor plant health, and improve overall crop yield. The BMS Seppi is a versatile mulching machine used in agriculture for land clearing and vegetation management. Its powerful rotor and robust design allow it to efficiently shred plants, branches, and debris, improving soil quality and preparing land for cultivation. The Sany Global SCE 800TB is a powerful all-terrain crane designed for heavy lifting in agriculture and construction. With a high lifting capacity and advanced hydraulics, it offers precision and stability for handling large equipment. Its robust design ensures reliability and efficiency, making it ideal for tough agricultural and industrial tasks. The Perkins STC is a durable, high-performance engine used in agricultural machinery. It delivers reliable power, fuel efficiency, and smooth operation, making it ideal for tractors, harvesters, and other farming equipment. The Volvo L200H High Lift is a powerful wheel loader designed for heavy-duty agricultural tasks. With its high lifting capacity and advanced hydraulics, it efficiently handles large materials like hay, silage, and equipment, making it ideal for demanding farming operations. The Jibby 1250 EVO is a versatile agricultural machine designed for efficient material handling. Equipped with advanced hydraulics and a powerful lifting system, it easily handles heavy loads such as bales and equipment. Its compact design allows for smooth operation in tight spaces, making it ideal for farms and construction sites. The TB2 SOS trailer is a durable, heavy-duty agricultural trailer designed for transporting large loads. With its robust construction and high load capacity, it efficiently handles equipment, crops, and materials, ensuring smooth transport across various terrains in farming operations. A set of jacks is an essential agricultural tool used for lifting heavy equipment or machinery. With hydraulic or mechanical jacks, it provides stability and support during maintenance or repairs, ensuring safe and efficient handling of farm equipment.